Alright guys, we did a test under just basic settings, and this is an extremely high powered laptop. If you guys are looking for a gaming laptop, a business laptop, a YouTube editing laptop, video editing laptop, artistic laptop, whatever you need, I'm telling you guys right now, this is what you want. This is truly amazing. So today we are reviewing a mighty fine PC. Guys, check this out. Look how thin that is. This is so sleek and stylish. Check this out. So right away we see we got an HDMI port here, a USB port. We got, looks like a Type-C super speed port. Memory card reader port right in here. On the other side we got another USB port. Here we go. Are you guys ready? I know I'm excited. Wow, check this out. So it's nice and sleek. So even the power cable is sleek. Look at that. It looks like a power bank. Is that not cool or what? So the power cable plugs in right over here, which is so cool. I love that. That is amazing. It's right out of the way as well. Alright, let's go ahead and power this on. It looks like the power button's right up here. Wow. This thing is beautiful. I absolutely love this. Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No. This is awesome, guys. Alright guys, so far everything is great. It's very fast. I'm very impressed with it. So now we're going to do something called heaven benchmarking, and we're going to see how fast it really is, and then compare it to my other actual computers that I built. So we went ahead and just turned the backlight on for this, and it is pretty awesome, I have to say myself. So yeah, it's really cool, and I am very impressed with it. Alright guys, we did a test under just basic settings, and this is an extremely high powered laptop. If you guys are looking for a gaming laptop, a business laptop, a YouTube editing laptop, video editing laptop, artistic laptop, whatever you need, I'm telling you guys right now, this is what you want. This is truly amazing. The power that this little thing has, this puts a lot of gaming desktop computers to shame. Highly recommend this. Alright guys, after my final thoughts and reviews, if you want a 5-star computer, this is it. I have been playing with this, benchmarking it, and this thing, it's mind-blowing. The internet speed's phenomenal, the editing speed is phenomenal, so I'm just having so much fun installing and doing different stuff. Now we're going to update all the drivers, but I'm so happy with this.